the most common questions and maintenance requests we get is, my garbage disposal isn't working. Hi, I'm Christina Wade with Wellspring Property Management, and I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to fix your garbage disposal, or hopefully fix it before you give us a call. Alright, so this garbage disposal, if we turn it on, it just makes a humming sound, which is one of the most common requests that we get. So the first thing you're going to do is go underneath here and unplug the unit. I'm not going to do this because this property is vacant and I don't know what's down in there, but you should know what's down in your garbage disposal, so you should be a little bit more comfortable with that. So go in there, reach in there, see if there's maybe a spoon or something blocking it, get that out. If nothing's in there, go ahead and plug it back in. Wash and dry your hands off so you don't electrocute yourself. And then underneath the garbage disposal, if you lay on your back or if you just feel around, there is a little button that you can push. That's the reset button. You can push that to see if it does it, and it's still humming. So your next option would be to take one of these garbage disposal keys. It's just an Allen wrench. I don't know what size they are, but you can get them from Home Depot. I've also heard that a small claw from a hammer can fit in here. So you just put this, it's right in the center of the garbage disposal. You'll just put the key in there and try to get it to go around. So this obviously has lots of fun stuff in it. Give it a few turns. You should be able to feel it kind of loosen up. And ideally, you want it to go all the way around, but there's a pipe in the way here. All right. Let's try this again. So turn on the water. So there's still something stuck in there, but you can definitely hear that it is going now. So the next step again would be to put your hand in there, but I'm going to leave that to my maintenance guys. All right, so that's it. If you have any questions, you can shoot us a message on Facebook. Otherwise, I'll see you later. Bye.